Hey, it's Arun Gopalakrishnan. It's great to meet you. I have been running Google Ads for small businesses for over 5 years now. I've probably set up over 500 successful campaigns on Google. So, if you're a small business owner and you're looking to advertise and build an advertising engine, Google Ads is really the place to be. Google is one of the best advertising platforms in the entire world. So, what I can do is when people are searching for critical keywords for your service in your location, I will make your ad show up. I'll build a landing page. We can track conversions, we can track clicks and data and all that good stuff. What I will do is every week, every month, I will optimize your campaign so you're getting the best quality leads month after month. And really, what I'm trying to build an advertising engine for you so that it's on autopilot for you. You don't even think about it. You just take the calls, you take the emails, you answer the forms and all that. And what I will be doing on the back end is I will be monitoring and managing your Google Ads campaign, and that's the goal. And I'm always reachable. If you have any question, I can always hop on a video call. I can answer your phone call, answer a text. So in terms of customer service, like my belief is that you know, I want to be there for you and I want to help you succeed so that when you succeed, I succeed too. I'm looking to build long term partnerships with my clients. So over the course of many years. So I'm not looking to make a quick buck, here and there. So that's the goal. That's, me. And if you'd like to hop on a video call and chat, about your business in particular, let's do it. Thank you.